Good afternoon and welcome to another currently video.
Ang nice guys, ang bango, ang linis. Nanonood sila. Yan siya, tuwan-tuwa na yan siya.
Coldplay sunsets make me forget 5 years no fit. I see you in a Cadillac. I don't think this can become.
Good afternoon and welcome to another currently video. Kasama ko ang mga tita. Hi kayo tita. Yan, si Mama and Tita Jude and Tita Jel. O picture daw.
Hi guys! So, ayan, outfit. Nag-post ako ng outfit reel. So, kung napapanood nyo to, na-upload ko na yon. Check nyo yung Instagram ko. Pwede kayo mag-overnight dito. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung banyo. Ayan. Ang nice guys. Ang bango. Ang linis. Ayan. First time ko dito sa Ace. Ayan. So, I will be sharing my experience with you. Ayan, shower. At may mga shampoo na tsaka conditioner goods. Kitchen, may microwave. Ayan, may TV. Tapos, ayan. May coffee din. Oh my gosh.
Tapos for, ano yun, for 1 year.
Rodix Diner. Malapit lang siya from Ace. Ang daming kanin. Ready! Rush guard para safe. Wop! Nyo guys, may size ako sa Barbie. Ang saya-saya ko. Aqua shoes. Tignan nyo sa SM.
Nadadaanan natin. Ano gustong isama?
Ang anak namin, dadya mo, nagsususi.
Diba? Niloloko ni Tita Jel si Mama.
Ikaw po si Echo. Pa-picture ka dito, pero nasa Paris ka.
Kain kami! Thank you, Lord! Malapit lang yung Jollibee, guys. Konting lakad lang kayo. If you want Jollibee. Ayan si Tita Jude. Excuse me!
Rentahin na baka hindi pa
Yes! Nandito kami. Ang mga tita na excite na.
Sa Iloilo.
Sky Garden kami. So, ayan nga oh.
Day.
So, ayan guys. Pwede kayo pumunta dito. Ayan.
Ayun o, doon o, di o.
Sky Garden nila guys. Ang ganda, nakaka-relax. Pwede kayo mag-order. Ayan. Mukhang ang sasarap ng food. Oh my gosh. Nanonood sila. Oh, di ba? From Ace Water Spa.
Lahat may lovely.
Magbe-breakfast na kami. Ay. Good morning. Oh, outfit. Pak.
Isusi natin. Kaya matutuwa rin si Mike Nick, kikiligin sa bacon, sa ice cream, natin.
Sa hash brown.
Then sabi, babalik ako doon.
Ka-birthday mo, mag-ipon tayo.
Video. Hello. Good morning, people of the universe, and welcome to another currently video. So, sasamahan natin si Kuya mag-test drive sa Tesla. Yes, pero hindi tayo bibili, pero manifesting soon na if God willing, na nakalaan siya sa ating tadhana. Ayan. Sobrang favorite kasi ni Kuya yung Tesla, so mag-test drive tayo, sumama kayo. So, ang outfit natin ay ayan. And abangan nyo sa Sunday yung details about this outfit. Gumawa ko ng reel. Ayan siyang cute-cute. Let's go to BGC!
We got that summer love vibe, driving down to LA with the sunroof down and no plans to stay. I want you to feel the same as I do.
We're here. So, ayan guys. Tesla BGC. Yung nakaraan, paulan-ulan ngayon. Ayan. Natapilok pa nga. Kaya pala sila dito and ang laki ng healthy options dito sa BGC. Sige, mag-test drive tayo na may dalang sampay. Pang sampay. Yan siya, tuwan-tuwa na yan siya. Oh, mag-test drive natin.
Oh, I was always dreaming about somebody like you. Out in California with oh nothing to do. But I don't need nobody else, man, it's so us two. I said, oh, if you want, cause I've been thinking about your love. I'm wondering if you feel the same as me. Oh, I always thought it's too good to be. But darling, now we're driving on these Cali scenes. Oh, all I wanna do is to be with you. The 99 things on a bucket list that we can do. Oh, I was always dreaming about somebody like you. Out in California with oh nothing to do. But I don't need nobody else, man, it's so us two. I said, oh, if you want, cause I've been thinking about your love. I'm wondering if you feel the same as me. I said, oh, if you want, cause I've been thinking about your love. I'm wondering if you feel the same as me.
Tulala. Tulala ang bebe boy. Why so foggy? Back at Healthy Options. Bibili tayo ng La Croix. So, this is a rye maybe buy it. Made us buy. Alam niyo ba, nakita namin si Ate Yeye. Mag-insert ako ng picture dyan. Nakakatuwa. Sabi lang niya, parang si Tita Dedet daw yung tapos sabi ni Mama, may si Ate Yeye. And then, yes.
Iba naman sa'yo. Kasi tig-dalawa eh.
Ano yung pamplemousse?
Ito
May
black
risk-
raspberry.
Raspberry, guava, ras, cranberry,
Berry na lang.
peach plum.
Ito,
Berry na.
Hindi, may berry na tayo eh.